flag, it's time to ride. Froggy's going city side with a hop and a happy cheer. Urban fun is almost here.
Froggy woke up bright and sweet, tied his shoes upon his feet. Today's the day, he jumped in glee. I'm going to the big, big city.
He met the boy beside the gate. Let's catch the bus, don't be late. The bus went vroom and off they zoomed. Through hills and roads they whooshed and boomed.
Tall buildings stood so high and wide, with honking horns and cars that glide. Froggy gasped, it's so alive. The city danced like a buzzing hive. Oh, cool cat wore a jazzy hat and sang atop a taxi mat.
Meow meow music fills the street.
Froggy danced with tapping feet.
A street side cart had sweets and cones, with candy sticks and ice cream tones. Froggy licked a giant swirl, then twirled around in a sugar whirl. A squirrel in shades did roller skate and spun around like figure eight. Wanna race? The squirrel called.
Froggy laughed, you might get stalled. They found a park with slides and swings and birds above with fluttering wings. Froggy climbed and slid down fast. His city joy would surely last.
Then rain came down, pitter-pat. They ducked beneath the city hat. The boy held Froggy in his coat. They laughed and sang a raindrop note.
A taxi zoomed with flashing lights. Froggy stared with wide delights. Neon signs that blinked and twirled lit up this glowing city world.
They saw a show on a corner stage, with dancing birds inside a cage. Drums went boom and lights went high. Froggy cheered and touched the sky. Tired feet and sleepy head, they found a bench and softly said,
What a day, the best by far. City dreams under the stars. The moon looked down with gentle glow, and
Froggy whispered, time to go. He hugged the boy and closed his eyes, dreaming of the city skies. Click subscribe and hop along. More Froggy tales and city song. Next adventure's coming soon, with Froggy's smile beneath the moon.